students, welcome in our Vidyakunj Career Academy. Today we are going to see here multiplication. Which method? Urdhva Triyagabhyam. In this method we are going to see here how to multiply 4 digits into 4 digits. Okay, now let's see. Here in this method we are going to solve from right to left. Yes, we have seen earlier also. In this session, we are going to see here 4 digit sum. Yes, 4 digit sum. I told you here how many steps will be here. In earlier session, I have told how many steps. 4 digit plus 4 digits, 8 digit. Yes or no? Yes. 8 minus 1, what will be? 7. Here, this sum we are going to solve in 7 steps. How many? 7 steps. I am going to explain here only one sum. You have to understand that. Okay. Now let's see. We are going to solve here. I will put here 4. You have to suppose these dots are multiplicand and multiplier. Okay. Multiplicand and multiplier. I will draw here these dots, put here dots, and I am going to give here name also, steps name. Okay, how many digits? 4 digits. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, is it sufficient place or not? 5 7. We want here 7 steps. Okay, here how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and here 7. Yes. Now it's time to take any one number to multiply. Okay, now I will take here this number 4 digit. Yes, now where should I write? Here, this one I will write here. 1 2 4 and 3, and another number I am going to write here 2 1 3 and 4. These are number. Okay, this is multiplicand and this is multiplier. Okay, these two number I have taken, and these two number we are going to solve here. Before solving this, we have to understand here step. Okay, now we are solving here from right to left. First step, second step, third step, then fourth step and fifth one, sixth one and seventh one. Okay, now see here from first I have to solve here first to first. See, this method you have to understand first and then you have to solve. Okay, now I have done here first to first. Then these number first to first we are going to multiply. Yes or no? Now see here. This one first to first we have done. Now next first to second. Then this below number second will be to first. Second to first. Okay, done this one. Now here this first number will be with third. Okay, this second will be with second. Understood here? Now see here first one we have done up to third. Then here one more. First step, second step and third step. And if this second with second, this third will be third to first. In this way we have to understand here sequence. See here how we are solving here. Step you have to understand. Okay. Now this one first will be with fourth. Yes. Now this one second here, second. Now here in fourth step we have to do here second with third. Done. Second with third. Now this third with second, then fourth with first. Yes, understood here? This is the step I am going to explain you. Yes, now here first has finished up to last digit, up to last number, then first we have to leave. Okay, then I have to take here this one second number with third. Now I will take here second number with fourth. Yes, done. Second number with fourth. Now this third number with second. Now here I will take third number with third. Yes, understood here? This one fourth number with first. Done. Yes. Now we have to see here. This second number with fourth. Is there here above more digits? No. Then this second number we have to leave. Then third number, below third number, we have done in earlier this step. Here third with third. This third we have to take with fourth. Third with fourth. Yes, understood here? Now, here, this one, okay, just wait. This one we have to take second. In earlier step, we have taken here fourth first. Now here, fourth third. And now here, fourth will be with second. Yes or no? See here, in earlier step, fourth with third. Now here in this step, we have to do fourth with third. Yes or no? In this way we have to do. Now in this step also you have to see here third number here up to fourth. Is there any? No. Then we have to stop this number with third. Now this one last fourth one. Now we have to. This also have done here series. Now this fourth one with fourth. This is our step. Okay. Now in this case, now in these steps only I am explaining you. This one we have to multiply. Here, first to second we have to multiply, then plus, then second to first multiply, plus it, and both number we have to plus it. I have explained here, in this way we have to solve. I have explained here steps only. Okay, now it is turn to take these numbers and to solve in this step. Okay, now I will do here. This step I am going to put as it is. Why? You have to know how to solve. Yes or no? Yes. Then I will write. I will take another marker. Give me ink. I am going to write here given number, multiplier and multiplier. Now see here 1, 2, 4 and 3. Okay, second number has given here 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4. Okay, now I will write here. We are going to understand here steps. You have to practice it, these steps. After practicing, there is no required to put in this way. You have to do these all steps in your mind and solve it directly. Okay. 1, 2, 4 and 3. Here 2, 1, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 4, 3. Here 2, 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4, 3. 2, 1, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 4, 3. And 2, 1, 3, 4. As for this step, we have to solve. Okay. Now this also I will rub this. Then next you have to understand these steps and then you have to do yourself. Okay. Now first step will be here. see above I have kept here steps. First step, first to first. Then I have to write 12. Okay, now next. Here what will be here? First to second and second to first. Then I have to write 4 into 4. Here 3 into 3. Here will be 9 and here will be 16. You have to do plus. Then here will be 25. And this number will be here carry over. Then here will be 26. Okay, understand these steps. Okay, now here third step, first to third and second to second. Now I have to do here and then third to first. Then I have to multiply here 2 into 4 and 3 into 4. Then 1 into 3. This one we have to multiply this. This one 8, this one 12, this one 3. We have to plus these all numbers. Okay, what will be here? 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. Here will be carry and 2, 23. And here, from here, this 2 will be carry here. Will be 25. Okay, next we have to do here. Step we have to understand here. Now, here first with third. Now, here in this step, first with fourth and second with third. Now, third with second. Then, this fourth one with first. Understood here? See. Then, I am going to multiply these all number. Okay. First to fourth. Then, second to third. Then, third to second. 1 into 4. And last one. Fourth to first. 2 into 3. Here we have to multiply. 4, 6, 4. And here 6. What will be here? 20. Then this number will be here carried. Okay. Then I will write here in this way because I haven't placed. Then here will be 22. Yes? 22. Now next one. This one. Fourth has finished. Then I will not take this one. I will cross out. This one 4. Okay. Then second with third here in earlier step. Now second with fourth. Now this first, then third with here in earlier step, third with second. Now I will take here third with third. This fourth with first. Now here I will take 4 with second. Understood here? Now 3 into 1, 3 into 1, 1 into 2, 2 into 4, 3, 2 and 8. We have to do here addition 13. Yes, 13. Here 2 digits number. Here require only 1 digit number. If there are 2 digit number, 3 digit numbers, these number we have to carry further number. Okay. Now here I will carry 2 number. Then what will be 13 becomes 15. Now in this step means here sixth step. Now third with fourth. Then I have to cross out these both because these number we have multiplied up to this last digit. Okay, so that we have crossed out that. Now next step we have to do here. Here third with third we have done. Here third with fourth. Now fourth with third. In earlier step, fourth with second. Yes or no? Then see here 1 into 1, 2 into 2. What will be answer? 1 and 2. Here will be 3. Here in earlier 2 digit number. This one will be carried here. What will be here? 4. See. Now next I have to write here further. Here in this step what has done here? Third with fourth done. Then I have to cross here. This 3 number. Now here fourth one with third. In this last step we have to do here fourth one with fourth only. Okay, 2 into 1 will be 2. Yes or no? Yes. Here 2 digit number. Is it 2 digit number, 1 digit number? Here 1 digit number. Is it required here to carry? No. Here is only 1 digit number. This is our answer. Okay. Then how to write here in the answer form? Then I am going to write this. How I am writing here answer of this multiplication, you have to understand here. See, I have to write here first of all question 1 to 1243 into 2134. Now how I am writing answer? See here, we are going to we have solved here from right to left. So I will write here 2. I kept here this box because you don't be confused here. 2, then next 6, here 5, here 2, and here 5. Here will be 4. I have written. See, just write 2, 6, 5, 2, and then 5. Yes, after 5, 4, and 4 after here will be 2. This is its answer. This is its answer. I hope you understood how to solve. I have shown you here 4 digits into 4 digits. How to count, how many steps, how I have explained here steps, and after explaining how to solve, that also I have explained. I have done only one sum. Then I am going to give you one sum. That sum you are going to solve. Yes or no? Now see, I will give you here 4 digit number 2, 4, 3, 5. Okay, 6, 2, 7, 8. This is my given question. Then you have to solve as homework. If you have any query in this sum, then you have to put your query below my video. I will help you. Thank you so much.